Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're doing a collective haul on what I've gotten so far this month. So let's get in and let's get into the haul. All right guys, welcome back. So we're doing a collective haul, but before I get started, if you like t-shirts like this that are unique, this is pretty dope basically. Definitely go check out Power in Black. They are a black business, business-owned business. I don't know why I couldn't get it out, but basically they have a ton of t-shirts that you guys can check out. If you like unique messages, they have a ton on their website. Definitely check it out. Plus, if you like any of the shirts, they have for you guys a 25% off coupon if you use the word NET, but the link will be in the description box below, so you guys can check that out and let me know in the comment section below if you get a t-shirt from them. What is a t-shirt that you got? Because I'm curious. They have so many t-shirts on there. I'm definitely grabbing some more soon to come, so you guys will definitely see some new t-shirts on my videos. But I wanted to share with you guys a couple things I received this month. And first and foremost, if you don't know, Influencer is a free app. If you like to review products, they definitely will send you stuff. So I have two things from Influencer and then just a couple of things that I've gotten along my way. So this one here is, this is Estee Lauder. This is the luxury collection. And this is, let me see if I can tell. So this is the box that it comes in. And basically what happens is you answer some questions in a profile, and if your profile matches what they're looking for, then they will send some products out for you to review. So that's the purpose of the application. So everything is free, and you don't I don't get anything for you, but I'll put the link in the description box below so you guys can check that out. This one, it smells, so this one is definitely a night on the town. Let me see if I can find any information on this one. And it shows you, this is what it shows you on the cover. So there's definitely different scents, and let me see if I can figure it out. I don't see the scent on this, but I'll look on my app to see exactly what this one is. But this is a good, if you think about it, this is definitely a good size amount of perfume, and it's like a mini perfume bottle. So, and usually the items that they're sending you, it's not cheap. It's usually, the last perfume I got was a full-size version of a perfume, and it was over $100. So it definitely is worth your time just to review whatever you're getting in the mail. This is actually another one here. I didn't realize this was another item here. Let me share you guys. So this is going to be from Arm & Hammer. This is actually also from Influencer. All right, so this is an Arm & Hammer Essentials with Natural Deodorizer. This says it's with magnesium. So this is free of aluminum, parabens, and phthalates. All right, so give me a second. Okay, so this smells like, it says it's vanilla. It definitely has a vanilla scent to it. So I would definitely give this a try. And the good thing about this is, if you ever wanted to try an aluminum-free product, you get to try it without, spending some dime, because if Arm & Hammer has their hands on aluminum-free deodorants, that's perfect. It says all-day protection, because that means the price of aluminum deodorant is gonna go down. So that's good, because if you know anything about aluminum-free, which I've recently got into, they can be pretty expensive. I've seen aluminum-free deodorants go all the way up to like $12, which is super crazy. But you can find a good variety also. The one that I've been sticking with has been Dove, but you never know. I may just make the switch and go to that. All right, so the next thing they have is, they actually sent me something for my husband to give a try. If you watch my recent videos that I did in empties, I showed you a full-size version of stuff that they sent him from Old Spice. So this time they sent my husband from Dove. They sent him a turmeric and fresh mandarin deodorant. It says energizing, antiperspirant, and then they also sent him the deodorant spray. So let me give a whiff and see if this smells any good. The safety seal. Okay, this smells, basically it smells fresh. So this smells really good. Turmeric, the name turmeric threw me off, but it's not bad at all. So I'm gonna put that back in the box so he can unbox it for himself. And then, let me see. And then if you watch my videos on like a monthly basis, you guys know I get glossy box too, but this was like an extra, so I'm not too sure where it fell. But if you like getting new hygiene products or beauty products also in the mail, they definitely wrap it up for you in a pretty box. But I want to show you guys what you possibly can get. They sell different type of boxes, but this was like specifically for skincare. So they sent me a 30, had to double check just to make sure, 33 fluid ounce gentle foam, cleansing foam. And let me see what it looks like inside so you guys can see. It's a pretty good sized bottle, so that's cool. And then they have a hydrating mist, which I actually wasn't into hydrating mist, but I do like them now. And then they have a 3-in-1 moisturizer and a night serum, and then an eye boost cream. And they always have some great products. I've never had a problem with any of the products they've sent to me. So I would definitely, if you like I said, if you don't like going out to try to figure out what's new, this is definitely a box that you want to get into, because they will let you know what products are out there new from all sorts of companies. And then another thing here, as you can see, I went back to my curly hair, but I wanted to give this a try. My daughter and I, well, my daughter really, she straightens out her hair all the time, so I got this really for her, because being that I wash my hair twice a week, sometimes depends on how my curls are doing. If they need a refresh, I will go longer I will go a week, not longer than a week. It wouldn't work. But with straight hair, you always, for us anyway, we always seem to need that dry shampoo, the dry shampoo refresh. Now, I didn't even know that Not Your Mother's, I usually buy this for curly hair. I didn't know that they had a dry shampoo, and this was a huge bottle compared to the dry shampoos that I've seen out there. And this is basically refreshing dry shampoo. It has an original scent. I've already used this, and so has she. I used it before I actually went back curly, and I love the way that this refreshed my hair. It was perfect. So if you're looking for a new dry shampoo, this was less than $5 actually. And I'll have the link in the description box below too. This one, if you saw my shop with me, I recently got this. This was Botanica, the enhancer mousse for my curly hair. So this is for like that refresh day. Sometimes for me, it's like the second or third day I need that refresh. This I wanted to give a try. I haven't actually given this a try, so I wanted to share with you guys. And then last but not least, I have Garnier Fructis. These were actually on clearance. Normally I don't go for these type of hair masks. This is a papaya hair treatment, and this is for dry, damaged hair. You have to take a look, because Garnier has different, if you're watching this and you happen to see these on sale in your area, the description for each, like I really wanted the watermelon, but the watermelon one was for fine, thin hair. And I was like, yeah, that's gonna be a waste of my time. So I had to go with what I wanted. But the scents for these are really good. And it says here, it's like basically free of not free of everything, but it's free of a lot of stuff, of ingredients that I look for with curly hair products. I don't follow any specific regimen, so I'm not like full on curly girl hair method, not at all. I kind of started in that way, and then I kind of transitioned into trying to figure out my own style. But yes, that is everything that I got this month. So with that being said, what is your favorite product that you've gotten, or your favorite hair product? It doesn't matter. What's your favorite product that you've become aware of in this last month? So definitely let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig videos like this. Have a good day, guys.